Okay guys, in today's video, I will show you how to apply weekly update in this ECDIS. This is Transas if your provider is Orbyt Global. As you can see, my current weekly update right now is week 24, 2025. So I'm going to get my new weekly update from Orbyt Global via online. Okay, now let's go to Orbyt Global computer. So right now, what we're going to do is we need to connect first the USB stick in the USB port of this computer. Let us open the USB stick. Then let us make two file folder. One folder for AIO and another one for ABCS. Then after that, let us close the USB stick. And since this computer is not connected to internet, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to use my cell phone. I will connect this computer via USB tethering. Okay, so now this computer is connected to internet. So what I'm going to do, I'm now going to open the Orbyt navigating tool. So this application will automatically scan all the updates. Okay, so just go to chart, click the chart. Then as you can see, the first update that this system will apply is the update for ABCS. Okay, now the ABCS is already updated. So now the system will begin updating the AIO. Now after the ABCS and AIO is already updated, now we need also to update the update for charts. Okay, the chart is now updated. So the next thing we need to do is we need to click the export, then click browse, and let us find the two folder that we have created earlier. Let us select first the AIO, then click the file select, then click export AIO, so that the AIO weekly update will be transferred to our USB. So after the AIO update transferred to USB, so we will do the same process. We will click the browse and choose the USB and select the ABCS and click file select, then click export ABCS. Okay, now the update is already completed. It's already in our USB. So let us close this one and let us take out the USB and let's go to ECDIS to apply the weekly updates. Okay, let us now apply the weekly update. First, connect the USB containing the weekly update to USB port of the ECDIS. Then click this Transas integrator. After that, click Navi Planner. Okay, then click chart. After that, click browse. Okay, so this is now the weekly update. Okay, so click the AIO, then click go, then install selected item. Click this one. Okay, just click no to all. Okay, so the AIO is now installed. Just click the close, then go back again, click browse, then go to ABCS, then click go, click install selected item, click no to all. No to all, click. Okay, so already updated. Just click close. Then we need also to update the other ECDIS. So all you have to do is to click this status page, then click update ECDIS. Now it's begin to synchronize. Okay, update is now installed in both ECDIS. So just click this close. Okay, then let us exit and let us check. Okay, so now as you can see, the weekly update is week 25. Okay, so the ECDIS is now updated to week 25. Okay guys, I hope you learned something from this video. Thank you.